Stellar Jet, the next frontier in sustainable air mobility. The Stellar Jet, developed by Stellar Aircraft Inc., marks a revolutionary advancement in zero-emission aviation. This visionary aircraft combines the vertical flexibility of a helicopter with the aerodynamic efficiency of a fixed-wing design, delivering both versatility and performance in one seamless platform. Powered by a hybrid propulsion system that merges hydrogen fuel technology with electric motors, the Stellar Jet offers an impressive range of up to 1,150 miles and a cruising speed of 323 miles per hour, well beyond the capabilities of current all-electric aircraft. Envisioned for a wide range of applications, including luxury executive transport, private CEO travel, and high-end adventure tourism, Lift. Hexa. Personal flight made effortless. The Lift. Hexa is a futuristic single-passenger electric VTOL aircraft designed to make flying as intuitive as playing a video game. With a lightweight carbon fiber frame and 18 independent electric rotors, it delivers vertical takeoff and landing capability. No runway, no pilot's license, and no complex infrastructure required. Classified as an ultralight aircraft under FAA regulations, the Hexa can reach safe recreational altitudes of 15 to 20 meters and offers a flight time of 15 to 25 minutes, depending on payload and environmental conditions. Packed with cutting-edge safety features, including autonomous flight stabilization, obstacle avoidance systems, and a ballistic parachute, the Hexa provides a secure yet exhilarating flight experience for everyday explorers. It's not just an aircraft, it's a new way to experience the sky. Kitty Hawk Flyer. Personal Flight simplified. The Kitty Hawk Flyer was a pioneering ultralight electric VTOL aircraft designed for effortless and eco-friendly personal air travel. Equipped with 10 rotors and twin pontoons, it was optimized for safe operation over calm waters such as lakes and bays. This single-seat craft hovered at a low altitude of up to 10 feet, offering a beginner-friendly flying experience. With a flight time ranging from 12 to 20 minutes per charge, the Flyer was tailored for short, thrilling adventures rather than extended journeys. Its intuitive joystick controls enabled easy piloting, even for those without aviation experience, while its fully electric, zero-emission design delivered a quiet and sustainable ride. The Kitty Hawk Flyer marked a bold step toward making personal flight accessible, safe, and exhilarating. HY4, pioneering zero-emission regional aviation. The HYI-4 is a revolutionary four-seat aircraft leading the charge in sustainable aviation. Powered by an advanced hydrogen fuel cell system, it exemplifies the future of clean flight by producing only water vapor as its emission. The fuel cell continuously generates electricity from hydrogen, while an onboard battery provides extra power during high-demand phases like takeoff and climb. Cruising at approximately 145 kilometers per hour, the HY4 offers an impressive range between 750 and 1,500 kilometers, depending on variables such as payload and altitude. As a cutting-edge technology demonstrator, the HY4 is not only proving the viability of hydrogen electric propulsion, but also laying the groundwork for a new class of regional aircraft capable of carrying up to 40 passengers. Airspeeder Mark III. The future of motorsports takes flight. The Airspeeder Mark III is a full-scale, remotely operated electric VTOL eVTOL racing craft developed by Alauda Aeronautics, designed to bring high-speed competition into the skies. Weighing between 100 to 130 kilograms, uncrewed. PAL v Liberty. The the world's first real flying car. The PLV Liberty is a revolutionary Dutch-engineered vehicle that seamlessly merges the excitement of flight with the practicality of road travel. As a certified combination of gyrocopter and compact car, it delivers true door-to-door mobility like never before. In driving mode, the PLV behaves like a sleek three-wheeled sports car, reaching road speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. With a quick transformation process, it shifts into flight mode, becoming an autogyro capable of cruising at 180 kilometers per hour and soaring to altitudes of 3,500 meters. Powered by a reliable Rotax engine and built to meet stringent aviation and road safety standards, the PLV Liberty is not just a concept. It's one of the most realistic and certifiable flying car solutions to date. With its blend of innovation, functionality, and futuristic design, the PLV is redefining personal mobility both on the ground and in the sky. Skysurfer Aircraft, Personal Flight, Redefined. The Skysurfer is a cutting-edge electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, personal aircraft that blends performance with unmatched portability. Engineered to fold into a compact form that fits inside a standard passenger airplane, the Skysurfer is revolutionizing the way we think about individual air travel. Its advanced control system offers direct connectivity with a range of over 27 miles and can be expanded indefinitely using GPS satellite and cellular networks. Built from proprietary reinforced materials and enhanced with nanocoating technology, the Skysurfer is stress-tested to support up to 750 pounds, delivering an ideal balance of strength and lightweight design. This resilient construction allows it to operate in extreme environments while maximizing flight efficiency and duration, pushing the boundaries of personal air mobility.